Imagine a world where plants trade nutrients like cryptocurrencies. Mycorrhizal fungi, the unsung heroes of the forest, form a symbiotic relationship with plant roots, acting as a decentralized network. These fungi extend far beyond the plant's reach, accessing nutrients in the soil and exchanging them for sugars. This nutrient exchange is akin to blockchain transactions, where transparency and efficiency reign supreme. Just as blockchain revolutionizes finance, mycorrhizal fungi transform plant growth, showcasing nature's own version of a decentralized economy. Discover how these tiny organisms power the green world, much like crypto powers the digital realm.